Storming through the party like my name is Elnina, and I'm hanging out drinking in the back of that Camina. As a kid, was a skid, no one knew me by name. Trashed my own house party cause nobody came. Well, I know I'm not the one you thought you knew back in high school. Never going, never showing up when we had to. Attention that we crave, tell us to behave. I'm sick of always hearing at your age. I don't wanna waste my time, become another casualty of society. I'll never fall in line, become another victim of your conformity and back down. Because you don't know us at all, we laugh when old people fall. But what would you expect with a conscience so small? Heavy metal and mullets, it's how we were raised. Maiden and priest were the gods that we raised. Cause we like having fun at other people's expense, and cutting people down is like a minor offense. Then there's none of your concern, I guess I'll never learn. I'm sick of being told to wait my turn. I don't wanna waste my time, become another casualty of society. I'll never fall in line, become another victim of your conformity. Back down. Don't count on me to let you know when. Don't count on me, do it again. Don't count on me, it's the point you're missing. Don't count on me, cause I'm not listening. No looking lower middle class, right backpack, and I don't give a shit about nothing. You can standing on the corner talking all that stuff. Well, you don't make sense when I gas you behind. Cause if the end don't stay, you'll be ringing off the hook. You're on the hit list, wanted in the telephone book. I like soul with distortion to drink in proportion. The doctor said my mom should have had an abortion. I don't wanna waste my time, become another casualty of society. I'll never fall in line, become another victim of your conformity. Waste my time with the casualty of society. Waste my time, victim of your conformity. Back down.
It starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. Clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard.